till now you have learned about trigonometric ratio. Today you are going to learn about identities of trigonometry. Now you are done, till now you are done all the sum based on trigonometric ratio. Now new topic is going to start, that is identities of trigonometry. So we will do identities. There are three types of identities. One by one gradually we take all the three identities, and from there three identities, two more identities are also made. That also I will teach you today. But let me take first identity. That is first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is your first identity. Now how this identity is arrived, the proof of identity will also be given to you. You have to learn it. It is in the textbook also. For this, let me take sin theta is equal to P by H, that you know. Cos theta is equal to P by H, that you know. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse and base upon hypotenuse, both you know. Here let me put the value of sin, that is P upon H square, then B upon H square. I am taking LHS. In right angle triangle, you have done many sum on based on right angle triangle. This was P, this was B, this was H. Here we know that H square is equal to P square plus B square by Pythagoras. This you know. This is due to Pythagoras theorem. Here square it, P square upon H square plus B square upon H square. Now denominator same, so P square plus B square upon H square. We know that P square plus B square, P square plus B square is H square. So I will write H square upon H square. Cut it, you will get 1. So first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, is proved here. You can watch it how I have proved it, so that some more proof from this I can do and prove it for you. Now let me continue. This is first identity that you know. Let me write here the first identity so that it will be useful for us. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is our first identity. This we have proved. Now from this identity, two more identities also arise. That is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. These are two more identities which we can prove from this. See, I have taken cos square this side. So what happens? Sin square equal to 1 minus cos square. In next step, I have taken sin square on other side. The cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. These three identity you have to remember it. First is main, from that identity two more identities are derived. Now second and third identity, how they have come, let me do it for you. Here sin square plus cos square is 1. Sin square theta is equal to, I am taking cos square that side. So 1 minus sin square theta. This is second, what you have got it and what I have written on there. In next I will take cos that, sin square is 1 minus cos square theta. In next I will taking sin that side, that will be cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Thus I have got these two identities. From these three identities I have written here, and that you have to prepare it. Now let us go on second identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This is second identity, and this identity I will prove for you. You have to watch it properly and prepare it. Second identity I am going to prove. We know that, what you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This you know. Now dividing by what I am doing, dividing by cos square theta. I have done all the term by cos square theta. See, sin square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. We know that sin upon cos is tan. So here I will write tan square theta plus cos cut 1 is equal to 1 upon cos. You have learned that 1 upon cos is sec square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This is the second identity which I have written and I have proved for you. Watch it. What I have done, divide the first identity by cos square, and from that I am getting all the result. Now from this identity you can derive two more identity. Take this one that side, that is tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Now take this tan that side, you will get sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. These are the two more proved derived from second identity, and you know that for second identity is derived from first identity, so you should know the proof, how I have proved it. So how I have done prove these two identities, let me teach you. The identity second is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So what I am doing, I am taking this one this side. So I got tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. This is the second term which you have got it. Now I will take tan square theta this side. That is 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. I will write it properly, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the second proof which you have got here. I think you have understood it, how to get second identity from first, dividing by cos, you will get this. Similarly, let me go on third identity. It is same as second identity. So, see the third identity, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This is third identity. So for proving this third identity, same way we have to proceed as we have proceeded in second identity. Let me prove third identity. Third identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now see, we know that what we know first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now dividing by sin square theta. So let me divide it by sin square theta. Sin square theta upon sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin square theta is equal to 1 upon sin square theta. Here sin cut, so I will get 1. Cos upon sin, that is cot, you have learned. 1 upon sin means cosec square theta. 1 upon sin means cosec, also you have learned it. This is your third identity. For proving the third identity, what I have done, I have just divided by sin square theta. I have taken first identity and then I have divided that first identity by sin square theta. Watch it properly so that you can also prove it. And this identity, you remember it to use it in doing the sum also. Now from this identity, I get two more identities. See how I am getting two more identities. Take one this side. So what you will get? Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. This is other identity which is proved from main identity. Now I will take cot that side. 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is another identity proved from third identity. So let me write it here. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Another is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These are all identities. This you have to prepare it and write it without looking here and prepare it so that you can use these identities in doing the sum. So I am writing all the identities here on the blackboard in big handwriting so that you can know it. Now let me rub all the identities. I have shown you how I have proved all the identities, and you have to use this identity. Some will be given to you on based on this identity. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is your first identity. From that I get it sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Another is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. These three identities are same, no change is there in this. Second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. These three identities are same. There is no change in it. Third identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. From that we can get cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So I have done the pairs. First identity and the other two identity derived from it. Second identity and other two identity derived from it. Third identity and other two identity derived from it. All this identity you have to use it. Simple sum will be given to you, and blank 1 mark question will be given to you from this identity. That you have to do yourself by using this identity. First of all, you can watch the identity, then answer it. After that, without watching the identities, you have to do that blanks yourself by preparing the identities. So, if you will be able to do the identities properly, then you can be able to solve the sum based on this identity. You have to prepare trigonometric ratio, 6 trigonometric ratio, and this total 9 identities you have to prepare it. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. So after preparing all these 9 identities and 6 trigonometric ratio, you will be able to prove any type of sum based on these formulas. So watch it, do it properly, and do the homework given to you. And in next session, I will show you how to use this identity in doing the simple sum. After we go on hard sum, first of all you have to know how to use this identity in the sum, and then you can do any type of sum based on this identity.